يعني تتوثقي يعني ثقة البشر. مناسبة سعيدة دكتور، يعني تشرف وجودنا في جامعة النهرين كلية الهندسة الكيميائية، وذلك عن طلابكم إن شاء الله يعني يكون تعاون مثمر ونواة لعمل مشترك إن شاء الله بيناتنا. احنا جبنا نموذج من طلبتنا المتميزين بدراستهم، سلوكهم، انضباطهم والتزامهم. فإن شاء الله يا رب التوفيق للجميع والتوفيق لكم بناتنا ما شاء الله عليهم موفقين بدراستهم. بس أنا حاولت البروشورز الصادقة يعني من الدكتور نصير وهي الدكتور ياسر.
السلام عليكم. إن شاء الله presentation ممكن باللغة الإنجليزية عن ال SPE. So hello everyone. What we love at SPE about events like these is that every single one of us came here for the same reason. We all came here because we share something. We have similar values and similar beliefs, and that's the main reason why we showed up. And this is important, you see, because our survival as a human race depends on our ability to surround ourselves with people who believe what we believe. When we're surrounded by people who believe what we believe, something remarkable happens. It's awesome. Something awesome is going to happen. It's called success. I mean, where survival depends on our ability to form communities and to form cultures. What a community, what a culture. A community is a group of people who become a set of values and beliefs. What a culture is a group of people who become a set of values and beliefs. And that's why is that important, and why SPE is we're occupied by this thing, is that SPE believes in communicating. SPE believes in connecting the world worldwide. I mean, let's take an example. Let's say that there's a chemical engineer, an Iraqi chemical engineer, and there's an American chemical engineer. The Iraqi has barely, if any, experience in work, and the American engineer has 10 years of work experience. How can we communicate? How can we connect these two? I mean, there's a distance, you can't just go to coffee and talk to each other. The SPE solved this problem by making a network community. So these two can strike up conversations, can talk to each other. So when they talk to each other, they exchange their knowledge and exchange their experience. The Iraqi gained experience of work. He's not capable of it, but he gained from the experience of the American one. And the American will be able to put his vision into work, to tell the Iraqi one and to help him. As I said earlier, our survival depends on our ability to help each other, to give and to communicate. Now let's talk about what is the history of SPE. SPE started it didn't start by the name of SPE, it started by AIME in 1817. It was AIME means the American Institute of Mining Engineers, and then it developed as everything during the years. There's a development, and in the 50s and the 60s it get the shape of SPE. It's called SPE, Society of Petroleum Engineers, and that's what. And with that we developed our members, and our members started to grow. The number of members started to grow up, and where we started with 2,400 people. Now in 2014, we have more than 124,000 people who are comfortable being called an SPE member. Besides all this beside all this circle of communication and circle of trust, we have benefits. We have benefits, which is a bonus, and benefits will be clarified by.
First of all, I would like to welcome you to this presentation. Besides this huge circle of communication, there are a lot of extra amounts of benefits provided by SPE. One of the most important behaviors or anything that's provided by SPE can be called a discount. Every person in the world likes this word, discounts. But what is SPE going to provide the discounts for? First of all, conferences and workshops. Any member of SPE is going to take a number of discounts on conferences, workshops, and courses every single year. Besides that, the interaction between colleagues all around the world will increase, and that would help to continue the professional development of the members. Second of all, the career advancement. SPE is not only concerned about the scientific side of its members, it's also concerned about their personalities. The SPE is going to improve, going to make us know more about the leadership, make us know more about volunteering and communicating with each other, creating a huge circle of connections. Besides that, purchases. Purchases are also important by SPE. It provides a lot of discounts on many areas, like discounts in health and life assurances and rental cars. You can check the website and be shocked by the amount of discounts made by SPE. Besides that, books and magazines. As we said earlier, SPE is not only concerned about the scientific side. SPE provide books by what they call the SPE book market. It provides e-books. Besides that, it provides a complimentary subscription for the Journal of Petroleum Technology, a journal that is concerned about everything concerning the development of our industry, of our gas and oil industry, concerning the upstream and the downstream industries. Besides that, it also concerns about the flagship magazine, a game and gamers magazine concerned about. Besides that, we have technical papers and libraries. Technical papers are technical or online contents made by or presented by conferences and journals. Besides that, this kind of libraries made by SPE is different, very different. We have OnePetro. OnePetro is one of the industry's largest online technical community or library that allows the members of SPE to search, to purchase and download more than 90,000 technical documents from multiple sections and societies around the world. Besides that, we have the membership icon. It's a hint made by SPE. We can add the logo of SPE to our email signature to promote our professionalism. Besides that, we are going to talk about membership.
I would like to thank everyone for coming here and listening to our presentation. You heard from my teammates that what is SPE and what are the benefits of SPE. Now I'm going to tell you how to become an SPE member. You can become an SPE member by joining the website. You can join the website by going to the website, which is www.spe.org. You can find the Join SPE button under the Membership tab. Of course, there are two memberships. The student membership, which will cost you $10 to $15 US dollars. Membership of the students can be got for free because the Chevron company sponsors it. The professional membership, which is for graduates and graduates with experience. This costs from $15 US dollars to $115 US dollars. Professional engineers are graduate engineers and engineers with experience. Now you know how to become an SPE member. So why do you want to become an SPE member? That's the question some of you might ask themselves. SPE members SPE can give you a lot of things that you can make use of. One of the things are publications. Publications cover all the aspects of the upstream and downstream oil and gas industry. It also gives you journals that you can read. The first journal are peer-reviewed journals. As you can see, there are 5 journals. The SPE journal, the Drilling and Completion journal, the Operation and Production journal, the Journal for Engineering Reservoir Evaluation, and also there are books and magazines and technical papers. There are magazines like the HSE Now magazine, the Way Ahead, the Gas Oil Facilities, and of course the Journal of Petroleum Technology. There are also books. At our department, we study a book about engineering that takes a lot of its information from the SPE publications. The book is about 1,500 pages. It takes a lot of its information from the publications. Other than these, there is the training. Now, professional engineers are graduates and with experience, so you might ask yourselves, why do I need training? Well, training can improve the expertise of the engineers, and it can also give you practices that you can see your knowledge and your technical knowledge with other engineers, with other professional engineers. When you log or when you go to the website of the SPE, you're going to see that there is a course schedule. The course schedule will have all the courses that SPE gives. There's also a course catalog that you can enter and see all the courses online that you can watch and save. There are the webinars that are also on the website that you can go and check for yourself. There's the certification, lastly. The certification can test how much information you got as a professional engineer. Other than the training, there is the in-house training, which brings expert engineers to your convenience and at your facility. There's also, lastly, the e-mentor. You can become an e-mentor at the website or at the SPE community by applying and sharing your knowledge and your expertise with younger students and give them a lot of your information. I would like to thank you for listening and for your attention.
Yeah.